Yeah, so guys, we are here with Prisa, Susan.
And you should marry Prisa Sagati.
Yeah.
You like Susan a lot. Look for a girl called Susan and marry. If you're out there and your name is Susan and you're below 25, not below 18.
I thought I'm hot seat guys. So,
you're below 25, Maja is here for you. Yeah.
So
as long as your name is Susan. Maja, whenever I meet Maja, is like Susan.
No.
You know he forgets Sa. Sagati, yeah.
Yeah. So
when are you planning to marry?
We are not really
You don't have to go there and you started it. Guys, Maja started it.
I was just seeking for
advice.
Courtship,
Yeah, it's because maybe you want to marry and you want to tell us. We want to eat rice.
You want to eat rice?
Yes, Maja.
But you eat rice every day.
No. Let me tell you, party rice or wedding rice is sweeter than rice that you can cook for yourself.
You want to say,
you know that I know how to do it best.
Yeah.
I want to do that. I want to do the ululations and also eat and also put on like makeup, dress well, and put on high heels, step like a big sister.
Yeah, but anyway,
do you have those plans?
Of course, and yeah, thank you so much for always supporting me. And with me, we have brother Dagi here. How are you?
And, I'm having two beautiful ladies.
Yeah, guys.
You know, when you see brother Dagi around in the village, make sure that the happiness is coming from here.
Yeah.
And
let me wipe the camera.
Yeah. I'm so happy to be at this place.
Yes.
And thank you guys by supporting us in the village. First of all, thank you Maja by hosting me on your channel.
Yeah.
I think it's not a first time, guys. We have watching me with Maja the time that we did happy birthday to your mom.
Yeah.
So
exactly.
My good name, guys, is brother Dagi. That's the name that I'm using on YouTube channel. If you're a new one on Maja K_KE, go check me out at brother Dagi in YouTube channel, guys. Please, in humble way, subscribe the video, like and share. And I really appreciate for the support that you will be able to give me. And for the being time, guys, I'm having two ladies for sure. To you, I know you're a good friend on me. And I went to Pharaoh, his home. I have visited Fellow. I did a lot of video with Fellow. Thank you, brother.
Do you know the reason why I'm telling you we are now 3 single people in the village? No, when you are getting married.
And guys, we are having Lobito. I know Lobito is a famous.
Let her introduce.
Welcome.
Hi guys, welcome to Maja_KE. Actually, Maja, I started watching you long ago when you were episode 1 of
He was
Searching
a
for a
superstar.
Wife.
Thank you
That's
so
when
much.
I started watching you.
Imagine me.
Can you give me this time for me to talk?
Okay.
Your time is over.
Yeah. I started watching you long ago. I've been watching you. I don't know if you are keen. You've been seeing my comments. There, African Lobito.
Yeah, you are the African Lobito.
The African Lobito. So
wow, guys, I always see your comments by the way. Yeah, and I like.
Wow, thank you. Yeah. So I'm so happy for having me today on your channel. I take this opportunity to say thank you so much for having me featured on your channel.
It's my pleasure.
Please, I'm a content creator by the name African Lobito. You can as well check me out. I'm so happy to be in Nyabohanse and I'm glad to meet you people.
Thank you. This is your first time in Nyabohanse?
No, it's not the first time. Let me say it is the third time. It's only that I've not gotten that time to meet you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Even me, it's my first time meeting you. It's my pleasure. Thank you so much for always supporting me, watching me.
Yeah,
it's
we must be
so
there
nice
for one another.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, guys, and go support her, check her out, subscribe, and tell her Maja sent you there.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we'll really appreciate. So we have another beautiful lady here.
Hi guys, I'm Fancy Manono. Please thank you Maja for hosting me in your channel. Thank you so much. Guys, I'm Fancy Manono. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'm Fancy Manono. Please subscribe, share, comment, and like. Thank you.
Yeah, so guys, also another beautiful soul here. Kindly support her. And yeah, where we touch will leave a mark, guys. Go check her out. Tell her Maja sent you there, guys. Peace and love and positive vibes. We have, who else? Yeah. Today I'm meeting only beautiful ladies here in the village.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm called Matinde.
Matinde, yes.
_M.
Yeah.
I'd like to know you.
Yeah, I'm Maja.
Oh, Maja?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you a YouTuber?
Yes.
Okay. I'm also a new content creator. So I need your support, guys. Yes.
Yeah. So guys, support her, new content creator in the village. You are from around?
Yeah. I'm not coming from far. It's the neighboring village here.
Sirari?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You're welcome to this platform.
Okay.
Welcome to the space.
Okay.
Yeah. So thank you so much, guys. Subscribe to her channel. So peace and love, guys. We have visited Prisa here today. We are going to get a tour from this amazing house. Exactly. So from grass to grace, and God is good. The last time I was here, this house was at the it was not even right now. I can see it's almost complete. So guys, we are here to visit Prisa Sagati. It has been a minute, guys. Yeah, so let's check on her and see what she's doing and get to have a tour, a great tour in this beautiful house. Of course, it's a very big house, very big house. So let's go and check. Yeah, so guys, this is the massive house of our sister Prisa. And how are you?
I'm good. Imagine see how I was standing like this, then I was like, massive house. Glory to the Most High God.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to wake up in the morning and say, thank you, Jesus.
Yeah,
because,
exactly.
Yeah, without you, I'm nothing. Yeah, so welcome to Maja _KE's YouTube channel. And welcome home, Maja.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah.
I don't know if we're gonna start from there because sometimes I feel like welcoming you from here is not enough. Lona, mkumbuke kijana wa nini? Yeah, welcoming you is not enough. Maybe a cup of tea or something else. Cup of water. You know, water, it's very hot, guys. Yeah, especially, I know you love water. Especially this season, this Feb is very hot here. Very much hot. So having a cup of I think a cup of water will be enough. Juice. Or juice. Cold. Cold one. Yeah, so guys, this is Prisa Sagati. Yes. Go check her out. I'm a content creator, guys. I make a living through creating content. Yeah, that's what I'll be saying. And very soon, everyone will say, I'm making a living through making content. Yeah. And of course, it's true. We make a living through making content. Exactly. But I started that word. And very soon, it's going to be a village word. So I make a living through creating content, and I thank the Most High God because this far it's been God and you, our audience, that's supporting us big time. We thank God for you. We thank God for everything. And I want to say, guys, I'm a YouTuber. Subscribe to my channel, and I welcome you here, Maja, at any time. Thank you so much. Welcome home. This is home. Yeah, this is home. Yeah. So guys, we're gonna have a conversation, me and my big sister here, and before that, guys, keep on tuned. Let's have a tour first of this massive house, which was which is here through content creation. It's been here for 7 months now. 7 months now. Yeah, imagine, guys. So we are going to get a tour from our sister here to see the beautiful house that God blessed her with. Amen. And then, guys, we are going to have a very nice conversation. I hope you enjoy the video till the end. And remember, don't skip the ads, guys. Sure, guys. So this is the front yard, front area of the compound. As you can see, very clean. It's very clean, courtesy of this guy. Actually, today I'm going to introduce him in my channel. Hey, I've worked with people, but this guy is something different. Like, let's go and see and also guys, introduce. I've worked with people like this guy is very different. He doesn't talk much. He's always working. Maybe he can say hi to people.
Hi, my name is Steve, and I love my work. The Prisa said.
You love your work. So you are a gardener.
No.
No, he's not a gardener. He's a jack of all trades.
Yeah.
And my prayer to him, like I observe him, I'm going to tell a story of him in my channel. Guys, this guy, even since he started working, you have to call him to give him his money. He doesn't come like, I want money, I want money. No, 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 no. And you wake up, he has done, I was like, oh my God, you don't tell him like, do this, do that.
Yeah.
And my prayer to him is that he succeeds.
Yeah.
Not only he succeeds, even he becomes more successful than me.
Yes.
Because this guy is more dedicated, and one day I know God will open bigger doors. God has already blessed him.
Yes.
God will bless him more. And when God does that, may he go beyond.
You know, me, I always say, like
Yeah.
I always say, and I believe you know, where I touch a leave a mark. I always, I don't know, I'm blessed where I touch a leave a mark. And this guy here, guys, if you're watching this video, let this guy be what my sister has said.
Yeah, sure.
Let him be.
This guy is not that. Me, I've known him. He's my neighbor, and he just works in people's farms, and whatever he gets, he survives. You have a young sister, 2 sisters. You have parents. Where are they? Yeah, they have parents, but they are not well to do. So he stays with the auntie, so he makes some money to support the family. And whatever he does, like whatever he touches, if he's working, he works more dedicated. And I'm like, even there is a day we were discussing him with Lobita. I was like, this guy is so different. I've worked with people here. Someone comes and they do things rushing, and it's not that he wasn't here. This guy has been here since I bought this land. Am I lying? But I never saw him. It's now that I'm realizing.
You cannot know someone by like, you know, until you work with him.
Yeah,
or
no,
her.
I don't know if, have you ever worked on my site?
One day.
Only once?
Day, yeah.
You used to come, they say no job. Imagine, guys.
Yeah.
He used to come in the morning, they say no job. You know those masons used to come with people already. But from the time he started working for me, I was like, I'll never ask for a handman if he's here. I'll always give him a first priority, then the rest will follow.
Wow, that is good of you.
Yeah.
You know, when you support, even God blesses you.
My
even
prayer
more.
to him is that he become something big. If he wants to be a content creator, to showcase what he does, if it's farming and everything, may he succeed. If he wants to become a businessman, may he succeed. Anything so that he can uplift his family. He's more dedicated. So this
guys,
compound you're seeing here, very clean, Maja. Have you seen
very
how
clean.
it is?
Guys, you can see from
There are a
this
lot of weeds on this grass. You see the grass is growing slowly. There were a lot of weeds you used to pluck with hands, but when he came, I don't see any weed. You see this pathway, how clean it is. The
especially
flowers.
this place, yes. Maybe just an idea. Maybe you can put like the, is it ballast or you can put this pathway.
I'm planning to do that. Actually, I'm planning to do that. I'm planning first to build the bricks. Bricks first. Then after we build the bricks here and here, for the flowers to grow, then I'll do the ballast.
It will be very nice. It's a very nice compound, guys, here. And also it's near the road. The road is just here.
And the big dam.
Oh wow, it's just
the breeze we are getting, like you hear it's sunny, but there is a breeze.
A small breeze coming.
Breeze, it's from the dam. Even when it's very dry, when you sit there at the shade, you get that breeze. So I thank God a lot. And this is the compound. Next week you're starting planting grass over there. We want to levelize that place, and our gate will be there, Maja.
That will be the main gate.
So you'll do cabros there. You'll be coming, when you come with your car, you drive this way, then get in.
So you are going to do away with the gate over there? You bring
that
it here?
Will be a back gate.
Back gate.
A small one, not that big. It was supposed to be here, actually, because our land used to reach there until we got until God gifted us with more land.
Yeah.
There. So our gate was supposed to be here, but now since I already planted grass this way,
Yeah.
I'm planning to do a basketball pitch here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm planning to do a basketball pitch here. Guys, as you can see this part, I'll do maybe one metal there where we put a ball.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'll plant some few grass here going there.
Yeah.
Then here I'll do ballast and maybe cabros in future. We'll be doing basketball. You come, do.
You do. Oh, so you'll have
you
just
dribbling,
one like.
Yeah,
only
one.
Oh, only one.
Yeah, you dribble.
Yeah, just for fun.
Just for fun, dribbling.
Do you know how to play basketball yourself?
I will try. I will learn.
You'll get a
because
coach.
I didn't get I wasn't privileged to know those things.
Yeah, exactly.
But now that I am at a position that I can do it for my babies, why not? I used to admire such things. So when the wall will be here, we'll put one. Then maybe we can do table tennis or lawn tennis. Yani, when you come here, you have a lot of activities.
Yes, exactly. Maybe also you can get a swimming pool somewhere.
No.
Or you have a natural one.
We have a natural swimming pool.
Yeah.
This compound a swimming pool. No, maybe in future. Maybe when God expands us this way or that way. But for now, this home a swimming pool. No.
No space.
No space.
In no swimming pool or no space for swimming pool?
No space for swimming pool.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, that is what I wanted to hear.
Because me, I like swimming. Even right now, if I had a chance.
I know, that's why I was saying this. That's why
I love swimming, even if it's in the river, guys. And it's been long since I swam in the river. I'm planning to revisit the river. No. Rivaragana. I'm planning to revisit Rivaragana and go inside the muddy water and like,
wow.
Then those mikosi, they go away with the water.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, they believe.
Yeah, that's
in our
belief.
culture, we believe like when you swim in
flowing water,
moving
water,
yeah, you are.
The bad omen goes away with the water.
Exactly.
Yes. And after swimming, now you pray. You say God. You manifest in prayer. You involve Jesus Christ in your life, and everything goes smoothly. So it's been long since I went into flowing water, like moving water, dipping myself and showering. But I'm planning
you doof.
You doof, like you jump like. Then
exactly.
You sink inside, then you come like diving, and you have to look for a deeper end, a deeper place. And don't do that if you don't know how to swim.
Yeah, exactly.
If
you'll go with water.
Yeah, you'll go with water. If you don't know how to swim, you just go to a shallow place. And you just shower, and from head to toe, like you pour water from up.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yes. Don't come for me, it's our culture.
Yes, it's our culture, by the way. Yes. So.
And we say mwachamila ni mtumwa.
Yes. You know, even in Korea, we only have one swimming pool, I think, right now.
Yeah.
In Korea. Jofa.
And right now it's not active. It's not functional.
Yeah, and imagine it was just opened recently. And
they are renovating.
Yeah, you are one of the people who were first people to.
I was the first person, guys.
Yeah,
Let me tell you, I was privileged. Me, Paris, and Atrin.
And I was there. I was recording you.
You are the second part.
No, I was there recording
second
you.
time.
But yeah.
First time you were not there.
But I was the one who opened the fish. First person who opened the fish pond. Yeah.
Guys, actually we are privileged. We were given a chance to swim free.
Yeah.
And the first people, like, we were like, wow, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, God really is good. Being in this village, and people big people in hotels, like big hotels like Joffa, appreciate what you do until they give you that privilege to go in there, the first people. To swim.
It's because of the discipline.
Yeah, discipline.
You have to be disciplined. Of course, you can't go somewhere misbehaving.
Exactly.
And also, we are showcasing.
Yeah,
we are advertising
the place. But it's a very nice place. You guys, if you come, you can go there and enjoy.
I've recommended some guests from the USA.
Yeah.
They are from Uganda. They're supposed to be there.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know when, but It's not that
Very
they're
soon.
coming to my place. No, they wanted to visit Kuria. There are two ladies. So they will go to Uganda, then they come to Hotel Joffa.
You're welcome to
Yeah.
Korea.
Yes.
This is Korea land. We have everything.
I hope when they come,
food.
they tell me they are here so that
Yeah.
even I can say hello.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. And also you have a small kitchen garden.
Garden is
Yeah.
here, but not that big.
Yeah, I think it's big.
planning to
It's
look
more
for
than
manure.
enough.
For manure, and also remove that grass.
Yeah.
Put some timber over there. Fill in some mud.
Oh yeah.
Some soil, not mud.
Yeah.
Some soil and some manure. Then make it look good. Plant some more veggies.
Yeah.
That's what I'm planning to do.
Wow. So and beautiful flowers.
Yeah. Oh, for the flowers. Speaking of flowers, I'm a flowers person. I really
Flower
love
girl.
flowers. I'm a Come and see flowers here.
Yeah.
Speaking of
Wow.
flowers, we have these types of flowers. I love the flowers that sprout.
Yeah.
And for example, this one here,
They spread.
they spread, and this one has blossomed.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, so nice.
We have flowers that blossom. We have this one here.
Yeah, I like this one. This one is very nice.
Yeah, I have 4 of those.
Wow.
I also have rose flower. It has blossomed.
Wow.
I really love plucking like this. Oh, so
Hey.
nice.
Let me see.
So nice.
Oh, guys.
Yeah. Have you had Nani that smell?
Yeah, I wish I
It
could
goes
come.
to the brain direct.
I wish I could come for fresh flowers like this for Valentine, but now Valentine is over.
No, this one, when you see it's about to wilt, you can remove it and put inside water.
Oh, okay.
You put inside water like pieces like this,
Yeah.
and you put maybe in the bathroom in a white bowl.
Yeah.
It brings that sweet smell.
Wow. And we have also, this is tea leaves. Huh?
Lemongrass.
They are called lemon.
Yeah, you used to call them tea leaves.
Yeah.
No, they are called lemongrass.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
This one scares snakes away. I'm planning to do more of this.
yeah. And we have the other one also, which I was told it's called, I don't remember. I have it at home. It's like this. Like one. I don't know how I can tell you, but anyway, it scares snakes also away.
Oh, the smell.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get in. Welcome. This is the front porch.
Yes.
When you'll be coming from the gate this way, then you drive this way, you'll be accessing the front porch and also the rear porch.
Yeah.
This will be a resting area, a very beautiful resting area. Just give us time.
Yeah. Time will tell, guys.
Time will tell.
Yeah. And guys, we will not be going in through the front
of the
porch
timber.
because of the timbers. So maybe we can use the back door or the rear porch.
The rear door. The
Yeah.
back door is on the other
Oh
side.
yeah.
This is the rear porch.
Yes. So guys, we are going into the first. Before you go in, this is the place that I love the most about this house. This place is amazing and it's very massive. And this is the kitchen, guys.
The kitchen, this
Yeah.
is it. Oh, itatosha Kenny.
Wow.
Itatosha.
Oh, so they are putting the ceiling board over
Na ile
there.
ingine siko huko.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey. Nani? Oh.
Yeah, and so guys, here they are putting the ceiling board, and if you have noticed that guy who is over there has been in a lot of people's famous YouTubers, I can say, at Nastos. Ken? Yes. Salimia hapa watu kidogo. No. So he's very busy. Anyway, he's a very good fundi.
Welcome to the kitchen. That's what he's sealing. The room that is being sealed is a pantry.
Pantry, yeah.
Yeah, the pantry. So here is the kitchen. Right now it's too busy.
Too busy.
It's very busy.
Yeah.
The kitchen, you see, even the counter is busy. Everything is here. A lot of items.
Yeah, it's lunchtime, guys. So yeah, we are kuelewering.
Yeah, we understand.
Yes.
Yeah. we had cooked for the masons.
Yeah.
And a lot of activities are ongoing. For example, up here we have a power bank, we have things like these materials for the masons and everything. So this is the island, kitchen island. This is where we'll be putting bar stools. You sit here, the adjustable bar stools. You can come here, drink water while I'm cooking, some juice.
By the way, you are to give me some water.
Oh, some water. Yes.
So this is an open kitchen, guys, for you. Oh, thank you. So you're now leaving my sister's house without taking even water.
You know you are family for you. Anytime you are welcome. Let me hold it. Enjoy water. Yeah, guys.
Cold water.
Cold water.
Yeah. So thank you for the water.
Yeah. No worries. So this here, we'll be having a car park here that will be not visible, but it's a free space where you can walk. The chairs will be there, the sofas.
Oh, this side.
Those 3 windows are for the sitting area. And this sink, here there is a sink that separates the living room and the dining area. So the dining area will be here, dining table. Maybe you can do a 10-seater or 8-seater. Yeah.
Wow. Wow, guys, this is the most place that I wanted to know about, because this idea is very unique and very rare in our village, especially in our villages. You know, even me, my mother's house, it was like, you know, they separated the dining and the kitchen, and the dining and the kitchen. But now my idea, and they had a small window. So my idea, I opened the window. I believe lately have you been at home? I opened the window. Now it's like now an open kitchen.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
So from the dining you can walk to the kitchen without a door?
Yeah, there's a door, but the window that I opened, now it's big. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, exactly.
When you're in the dining, you can easily see the kitchen and whatever is ongoing.
Yeah.
So our dining table will be here.
Yes.
So this place, going to the kitchen, one will not be accessing through this side.
Yeah.
But this side.
The other side.
Yeah, the other side.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the massive kitchen.
Yeah, thank you. So the reason I decided to do maybe dining will be here. When you're eating, you can move the plates and put there.
Oh yeah.
Sure.
Oh, the sink is over here.
Yeah, the sink is over there. So welcome to the bedroom.
Yes. So guys, we are going to the first bedroom here.
Yeah.
This is a corridor.
This is a hallway. We call it a hallway.
A hallway.
Yeah. Today Maja is learning a lot of English. So this side here, this is the library. We're having a mini library here.
Okay.
Yes, I'm going to do shelves here for books, novels. Yeah, so to return back the culture of reading books.
Yeah.
And also this is where my children will be doing homeworks, school assignments, and everything, even during the holidays.
Yeah.
So welcome to the master bedroom.
Wow.
This is the master bedroom, as you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah, so my bed will be there where you're standing.
Okay, right here, guys.
Right there. It will be a very good bed and a very big bed. Yeah.
King size. Or that is now queen size.
No, queen size is small.
Oh,
king size is big.
Okay.
King size bed, and also nothing much. Maybe I'll do an office here where I'll be saying tap guys, tap the screen, send a rose, send a lion. Yeah, because I'm a TikToker also, guys. I'm also a TikToker. So tap the screen, tap
She's
the
a
screen.
proud Korean TikToker.
I'm a proud Korean TikToker. Thank you for saying that.
Yes.
Yeah. So this other side here, we have walk-in closets.
Wow.
Yeah, we'll be having I don't know if it's this side or this side.
Yeah.
The wardrobe. Our wardrobe will be on one side.
Yeah.
Then the other side will be having a table, a place where I can read a Bible, prayer room, and also I can just sit here, look at the window, the view. You see the view? See the view.
Yes.
Have a look at the view. You can see that lorry.
Yeah, it's near the road and also the beaches.
The dam. At the beach. Yeah, guys, the dam is there. You can see the water body. Yeah, the waters are there. So,
wow, walking closet.
Space, yeah, walking. I will do a wardrobe, and the other space I'll put a carpet, grass carpet.
Yeah.
A good one. And I'll try to make this place like when you're here, you're like, hey, is this a wardrobe or this is a playing area?
Yeah.
When even my children can come and just sit here. Yeah, because they're still young.
Yeah, and watch the view.
Yeah, and every space in this room belongs to them.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Wow.
Here we have this is
Bathroom.
Or
washroom.
The washroom. So the washroom, the bathroom is there, the toilet is here, and the basin will be here. The other basin. Yeah. The modern basin.
Yeah.
With the cabinets. So it will be at this space. Then here we'll do some storage for the towels, for the oil, makeups, and everything. And you've not asked me why I don't have a dressing table.
Exactly.
I don't have a dressing table, yes. I have an office and I'll be having a dressing mirror.
Oh, here.
A very big mirror from here to somewhere here.
Top to bottom.
Yeah, a mirror that will make someone think that this house is very big.
Yeah, exactly. And if you put a mirror here and maybe are recording, how this will be so big like a room.
Exactly, yeah. That's my idea, guys. Yeah. That's my idea. And you're free to copy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Copy and paste. And copy the best, guys. I always say copy the best.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So also here.
Yeah. Installation of power is being done.
Yeah.
Right now you use solar.
Yes, I use solar.
Yeah.
Here we have the girl's bedroom. Yeah, it's like that. But we are planning to organize it very soon. You can see our shoes are down scattered. We are planning to do shoe rack. Yeah, so it's also en suite. It has a bathroom and a toilet, a washroom, and the wardrobe will be here. Or we'll see where to place it.
Yeah, I think here is the best.
Here is the best, right?
Yeah.
Because the beds will be facing this way.
Yeah.
Everyone will be having their own bed.
Wow.
Yeah. So inside here, right now it's private. It's
and confidential.
but not too much. It's where my family sleep, me and my babies. And we have this door. This is the kind of door that we put in the whole house.
The whole rooms, yeah.
All rooms, then they will be painted later, not now. This is a washroom. This is what we are using, but we are planning to
modern, yes.
Yeah, we are planning to move it a little bit and also back. I remove this, put the modern basin. Yeah.
Okay, wow.
Yeah. So here we are. This is.
This now is your acting living room.
Living room. It's acting living room. But it's the game room. Let me set a chair for you to sit.
Yeah. Guys, yeah.
Welcome. So you're in the living room now, Majo? Yeah.
Wow, we are here now. Right about now, we are at the living room, acting living room. Yeah. So let's guys do. It's not expanding.
It's not.
Maybe we can call someone to help us here.
Yeah, guys. So we are already set. Welcome.
Yeah.
This is where we sit. This is where we do homework from with my babies. This is where we do everything like Bible study, assignments, eating, watching from the laptop. This is where everything happens.
Yeah, so guys, as she has told us, this is the acting sitting room.
Yeah, living room.
Living room. And also at the same time, this is the
game
room.
Yeah, this will be the game room and also TV area for babies. Sometimes you are here with friends, you're my guest, we are in the living room. I won't deny my children their freedom to watch or play. I'll just tell them, oh, go to your game room and they'll shout, they'll sing, because the door will be there. So we will also maybe be there doing content, creating content, and they're here at their free space, because I cannot tell my babies, because your mom is a content creator, you have to sit and wait for her to do content.
Yeah, exactly.
Sure.
True. And what was the idea behind maybe this room?
Okay, this room was a guest room for me. At first I did 4-bedroom, and the reason for doing a common toilet was for it to be shared from this room and the other room for the guests. So my people, I have a good family, like a very loving family, a very humble family, God-fearing family. Like they support me a lot. They advised me to do emergency exit door, because I only had one door leading to the living room. Outside was only from the kitchen, and the kitchen is not at the back door the way people used to build long time ago. The kitchen is the farthest end, the living room is there. So they told me, you have to look for a way to do an emergency exit door, or maybe a window. I thought about it for a long time, and they told me, actually you can turn one room into a game room and do an emergency exit. So that's how it happened. I found myself, when they were plastering, we did a door here, fixed it, and
even guys, even someone cannot know that there was no door here. So that means nothing is impossible.
No one can tell.
No one can tell. Nothing is impossible. So it's like this house had this design just
already.
But now you see, like, if you didn't tell me about that, I couldn't have known. For me, it was like, it was designed like this, and that is how it was. Yeah, exactly. So guys, I'm really one of the people who are privileged to visit my sister here and to this big and beautiful house. How many bedrooms do you have? 3 bedrooms. Wow.
But in future, I'm planning to do a back porch and connect the back porch with the guest room outside here.
Okay. Yeah. So guys, today, so let's go to our topic of today, guys. Yeah, so okay, let me start. Let me ask you, like, for me, as you know me, I'm not married, but I am on that road. So how old should you maybe plan to get kids, plan to get married, plan to...
Your question, do you have a kid?
Yeah, but
you have a kid?
I would say yes.
I've never known that much.
Yeah, I have a kid.
Do your people know you have a kid?
Yeah, my
have
parents know.
And your subscribers? It's
no.
the first time?
No, you know, whenever we have like that conversation with my friends, of course, they know, even Nasta knows. Like,
your subscribers?
No,
it's for the first time you know that Maja has a kid out of wedlock.
Yeah, so, but that was back in campus, and then...
Are you responsible for the kid?
Now the story is, let me tell you the story. Now I was dating in campus. Of course, you know, campus you have to have someone. And
you have to?
Yeah, you have to, of course.
My
in
story
campus.
comes there too. Okay.
In campus, you have to.
Okay.
So I had a girlfriend, of course, and we used to stay together. But now, due to some 1, 2, 3, you know, youths, 1, 2, 3, and
she got pregnant.
She got pregnant.
Of course, she had to. What do you expect? You are living together.
And then she didn't tell me at first. But now she had applied to go to UK. Yeah, and she had a red whatever. Green card. Yeah, green card. And she got it. She went to UK. With
her child?
Yeah, with the child. She didn't tell me she was pregnant at that time. So when she was in UK, she called me and told me, I have your child. I'm pregnant with your child. So you see, and when she delivered also, she sent some pictures of the baby. I saw the baby, and she has never come back until now.
How old is the baby?
I very old. From 2016. We are 2025.
The child is 9 years old.
Imagine.
The age of my son.
No, she was born now. The lady went in 2016, but she was born in 2017 there.
8 years.
Yeah.
It's almost the age of my son and my daughter.
Yeah, and she has never returned. So,
and the child doesn't know you.
Yeah, and I lost the number. She doesn't text. Yeah. So yeah. So that is my story.
That you broke up. You didn't break up. She just got a green card.
Yeah. We didn't break up like.
And told him that I have your baby, and you accepted.
Yeah.
But since then, you've never communicated.
Exactly.
Oh, so for age, talking about the age, you know, age is just a number.
Yeah.
Me, that's what I say.
Yeah,
like the age of which someone is supposed to get married, or someone is supposed to marry. That one I can say age is just a number for me. Because
18 plus, not 15.
No. Yes, 18 plus.
Yeah.
You're supposed to be 18 and above.
Yes.
Also 18 and above. For me, I think that time you're not mature enough to handle a family. For example, when you get married, most people get the pregnancy faster. Most, not all. So that time you're 18 years, you don't know how to handle a child, you don't know how to go to, you like to multitask. Me, that one I don't know, but according to me, I gave birth to Trevor when I was 22, but I still thought it wasn't like the right age to give birth, because that time I was still in college. Same case to you, to the girl, same case to you.
Yeah.
And that time I was under my parents' provision.
Yeah.
So for me,
Parents care.
For me, the best age to give birth or to marry, it's an age that you're able to provide for yourself. If you're able to be responsible for yourself, provide for yourself, and you're above 18 years, why not? Not a must. Some can, that's why I started by saying age is just a number.
Yeah.
Some can get married at 40, some do it at 19, some do it as early as 18. Immediately someone waits like, I'm just waiting to be 18 years and I get married. Like, yeah.
And what do you think about, especially in villages, I don't know if it's only in our village, but you can notice a lot of young boys who are not even 18, especially who have something, they know they can put something on the table for someone. Like, it's not in a bad way, but let's talk about the borders, especially that side. A lot of them, you can find maybe someone didn't finish school and he's 15 or 16, and he doesn't have anything to do apart from being a border, and he's now there. He knows that he can get maybe 300 to 400 a day back home, and he gets married at 16. What do you think about that? How can you advise?
According to me, that 16-year-old child, how old is the girl that he's going to marry? If the girl is 20, well and good. Yeah. But if the girl is below 18 years, that's still a child. And also the boy is still a child, 16 years, and below that boy is still a child. It's only, me I know a story of a guy who was an orphan. And he was 18 years. He was a border. It's circumstance that made him marry. Some people do it because of circumstance. You are orphan, you are the firstborn, you are left with some siblings to take care of, and you the breadwinner. So he had to marry. So that the wife can stay at home, do the other activities like at home, so that he can go fend for their children and the wife. Yeah. So I don't know I don't want to go to that side of the underage marrying. To me, it's not like right.
Yeah.
But maybe you can talk about it and someone like comes out defending, like, why did you have to say it the way it is? But
no, you know, guys, we are trying to get just an advice. You know, even someone can watch this video. We have a lot of people who watch even from the village. It's just giving advice and getting advice and get to tell people people out there who are tender age or very young age what to do. It's not like we are trying to
For me, if you are young age and you're orphan and you have siblings, it's good for family members to like reach you, come closer to you, and guide you in whatever you're doing. Also give you support you. But you find out that some families don't support orphans. African families, they don't support orphans like at all. Someone is like, it's your problem, just mind you, but it's not okay. We are supposed to be each brother's keeper. But that one is a very hard topic, Maja.
Very hard one, I know. And you know, like as Priska is saying, family is like now, God forbid this, like now me, I don't have parents and she's there and she's well off and she's able maybe to help me in some way, and she doesn't want now to help me.
I say no, sometimes someone can say, helping family, they don't appreciate, like and you've not tried helping.
You have not tried.
You've not tried helping. You just say they don't appreciate. Holding someone's hand until maybe they do something wrong, and there is no wrong that can not be forgiven, right?
And corrected.
Corrected.
You know, when you have someone who will correct you when you are wrong, and tells you, like you, when I'm wrong, you tell me, Maja, no. You are wrong.
And me, I like that.
That's why I like you. Like, Maja, no, you are wrong here. You are wrong here. You know, tomorrow, if I try to do that again, to repeat it, I will remember, like, my sister told me.
Sure. Me, I like if you've wronged me, I tell you, no, Maja, this one and this you did wrong. And me, like also when I do wrong, someone, Priska, no, here you did wrong. So I correct myself next time not to offend you.
Exactly. So guys, we are here with Priska, Susan.
And you should marry Priska Sagati. You like Susan a lot. Look for a girl called Susan and marry. If you're out there and your name is Susan and you're below 25, not below 18.
I thought I'm hot seat guys. So,
you're below 25, Maja is here for you.
So
as long as your name is Susan. Maja, whenever I meet Maja, is like Susan.
No.
You know he forgets Sa. Sagati,
So
when are you planning to marry?
We are not doing it.
You don't have to go there and you started it. Guys, Maja started it.
I was just seeking for
advice.
Courtship,
it's because maybe you want to marry and you don't want to tell us. We want to eat rice.
You want to eat rice?
Yes, Maja.
But you eat rice every day.
No. Let me tell you, party rice or wedding rice is sweeter than rice that you can cook for yourself.
You want to say,
you know that I know how to do it best. I want to do that. I want to do the ululations and also eat and also put on like makeup, dress well, and put on high heels, step like a big sister.
But anyway,
do you have those plans?
Of course, and my plan is we are going to get married in the church. We are going to do a wedding because that is what also my parents want.
Amen.
And a wedding in church. We will wed like rings and a lot of.
Do you have someone for the wedding?
Don't worry.
Do you have that, Susan?
Secret agenda. But anyway, very soon, around this year, maybe God willing.
The wedding is around the corner.
Maybe God willing. And And of course, Priska will be there.
I'll be there. I'll be the maid.
The maid.
Yeah, or the matron.
Yeah, and I invite you all subscribers if you will come even from Spain, US, Canada.
As long as you invite them early.
I've already invited them here.
No, you've not said the month.
Oh, that's...
Go sit down with the priest, your parents, the girl's parents. Then
yeah, we'll just know before the year ends. Yeah, 2025. Yeah,
you're going to get married.
Yes.
Someone else told me 2025 I'm going to give birth. And I know you know her.
yeah.
Like 2025 I want to give birth. Like I asked her, are you going to get married?
I know you.
I want her maybe like, are you going to get married? She was like, I'm confused. I want my parents to hold my grandchild. Okay, I hope it's her.
Yeah.
It's her.
It's
we are waiting for the wedding.
Yeah, and she knows. If you watch, you know yourself. Yeah.
We are waiting for your wedding, you and Maja.
Hot seat. Guys, I came to seek for courtship, but now it's getting hot here. It's getting hot in here, guys. But watch this please, guys, and we really appreciate you for always being there for us. You guys are really amazing. You are really so supportive, and yeah, we are here also to support. If you have something that you can support the community also, we always support the community. We always visit the children's home. We always but anyway, guys, I want to say thank you so much, Priska, for hosting me in your beautiful home.
Thank you, Maja, for visiting me also.
Yeah, and God bless you abundantly.
Amen.
Yeah, and push you to better heights.
Amen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And maybe next when we come now, it's to do a very good. The house is finished.
The house is finished. You
now
can swim. You can play ball. You can do what?
Yeah.
Yeah. Housewarming.
Housewarming.
Yeah, guys. We will do housewarming, guys. Yeah. Prepare cows and goats.
Yes.
Yeah. Prepare cows and goats, guys. You will come here. We will eat. Or if you can't prepare a cow for our housewarming, prepare your mouth and stomach to store that cow meat and rice. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Anyway, guys, until our next video, keep watching this space.
Sure.
Until our next video, we love you.
Bye.
Peace and love.